never wakes up and stuff like that. So, it's like, this is payback.
Here are the Torrey Pines Jones area. We're entering the house as we speak. She'll kill him on camera and Jersey getting away. Entering the house, and then making a left. Down the hallway. One goes to the left, one goes to the right. Now we're down the hallway. David, she'll killer's now opening the door. And we're ready. Slowly open the door, guys. What was the first thing you thought when you saw one of the Chainsaw twins right above your bed?
Oh my god, I thought it was dreaming. And then it kept on going, and I thought something happened to me. Oh my god, I thought somebody broke inside the house and was like trying to cut me up in pieces. Oh my god.
Well, it's all from your friends, the Fright Dome, and Chet Buchanan in the Morning Zoo at 98.5 KLUC.
Oh my god. Oh, jeez.
She had tears in her eyes. So another successful Chainsaw Wakeup! Yeah! Thank you, Chainsaw Twin number 1. Chainsaw Twin number 2. Zombie Sam. Nice work, pal.
Hola. Gracias.
Hope, now that you've recovered from Chainsaw Wakeup, I want you to repeat after me to your mother, okay?
Okay.
Mom.
Mom.
I promise.
I promise.
To get out of bed on time.
To get out of bed on time.
Or suffer the consequence of another Chainsaw Wakeup.
Or suffer the consequence of another Chainsaw Wakeup.
Okay? Now give your mom a hug and a kiss. All is well. Now give a hug and kiss to the Chainsaw Twins.
We love the morning zoo!
I'm putting it down live.
Chet Buchanan.
Please welcome
In the Morning Zoo.
You are listening to
This is 98.5 KLUC.